Good afternoon. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Australian Bisaya. Karon sa kong bahaton magsaligon ako akong 4 legs baby na si Foxy. So, come on Foxy, where are you? Come on Foxy. Come on Baba Foxy. So, it's shower time ni Foxy. Gamitin ko guys shampoo, conditioner at saka may dog shampoo din at saka towel ni Foxy para maligo na. So guys is magandang kog tubig nga may shampoo na daan, then ko shampoo at yan ko liliguin si Foxy. So the water needs to be cold because it's really hot here. So guys, maliligo na siya. Am I ready for shower, Foxy? Ready for shower? Yes. Because it's really hot. Chink, it's really hot. So, hindi mo tayo mag-vlog kasi magliligo ako. Wala ako. Foxy, you have your shampoo na? Ha? Shampoo? Wala man tayo cameraman, no? So, ato lang. So, gamay kay si Foxy. Hi, Foxy. You alright? Okay. So, tapos na siyang na-rinse, guys. Foxy, come on. Look at her. Miss to behave. Hello, baby. He's nearly finished, no? We're gonna put our conditioner. Maglagyan na natin siya ng shampoo conditioner para mabango si Foxy. Wow, let's do it. I'm gonna put my camera so that I can put this. Guys, tapos na si Foxy maligo. Ah, good boy. Come on, we're gonna wait. You're cold, aren't you? I know. Dry lang natin, guys. Look at my little Foxy. It's very little. Hi. Feeling good? Hi. Yes. Oh. Yes, you let it dry a little bit, and then later I'm gonna brush your hair and blow your hair, okay? Okay? You're a good boy, hey? Feeling good? Thank you. Thank you. Oh, okay. What? Oh, you're fresh now. You're not. It smells good. Where you going? Hi. You're like a little bug.